How to use shortcuts automation with focus modes on iPhone. Hey iPhone enthusiasts, today let's explore how to take focus modes to the next level using the power of shortcuts automation. Shortcuts let you automate various tasks on your iPhone and it can be a game changer for focus modes. We'll create automated shortcuts that seamlessly activate focus modes based on specific triggers, streamlining your workflow. Before diving into shortcuts, let's understand focus mode triggers. There are preset events with shortcuts that can automatically activate a focus mode. Like when focus turns on, this activates your shortcut when a specific focus mode is manually turned on, or when opening an app, for example. This triggers your shortcut when you open a specific app. Now, for creating a shortcut for focus mode activation, there are 4 steps and 1 tip. Let's build a shortcut. Open the Shortcuts app and tap on the plus icon to create a new shortcut. Search for focus and choose the Set Focus action. Here, select the focus mode you want to automate, for example, Work Focus. Next, tap the 3 buttons button on the top right corner and choose Show More. Here, select the trigger you want to use. We will use when focus turns on as an example. Name your shortcut something clear like Activate Work Focus. Tap Done to save your shortcut. And also you can create multiple shortcuts with different triggers. For example, opening a specific work app to activate the same focus mode automatically. Now you know how to use shortcuts automation with focus modes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.